Alrighty, here we are again. The old self-propels. Just says it won't start. Have no idea. Gas smelled okay. It was a little overfilled with oil, but then I figured I'll just record the stupid video. Maybe it'd be something cool. Doubt it. Let's verify the complaint. It's got a Honda engine on it. It's a Craftsman made by Troy-Bilt. Well, MTD. Now the fuel's shut off. Hopefully that's not the problem. That'd be silly, but it happens. Let's see. Alright. So we got nothing. What I'd like to do on these is always start with changing fuel, even though it smelled alright. Give her a little squirt of some stuff. See if we'll get her to fire that way. Definitely carburetor problem. You got gas shooting out the muffler. I'm gonna go ahead and turn this fuel off. Probably have to change the oil then. No, I definitely will, not probably. Ain't no shortcuts around here. Now let me get this started. Got these foreign engines. Get your metric out. 10 millimeter. 10 millimeter. Yeah, this thing is just flooding with gas terribly. Probably have to change the plug too. Well, again, not probably, I will. Gasket here. Uh-oh. Somebody was in here. I don't think that's the right gasket. I'm pretty sure that's not the right gasket. That right there could cause some problems. So I might have to look up the gasket on this thing. I'm sure that's not the right one. Which means, you know what? Tinkeritis strikes again. That's alright. That's why I'm here. But remember, this is entertainment purposes only. I'm an idiot. Hello. Let's get all this crap off of here. Who knows if any of this is right now. I think somebody tried to do their own work. Jeez. I'm not even sure where to start now. I will take the bowl off, take a look, since we're here. Yeah, that looks good. That's working. Yeah, I just put my mouth on it. Get over it. Actually, it's not good. Fakey, fakey. That needle ain't seating. Let's see. They got... Well... Needle looks in good shape. The carburetor looks clean. But you gotta wonder if it's the right one. Somebody was in here, which they were, got the wrong gasket on it, probably put the wrong needle in it. People think anything can go in anything. Everything's the same. Pretty crazy. Happy Sunday. I can't really get nothing done on Saturdays anymore. Because we're busy, but we're not. All I do is tell people we don't have parts. They keep coming in and I have to keep stopping work and go handle them, and then they want parts that we don't have. Alright, I gotta do some googly woogly, guys. So where do we find the engine number on here? Well, good question. GCV 160, but there should be more. Well, shoot. Oh, maybe back here. Oh yeah, there we go. You can see that sticker. Ah, crappers. Sorry, you're gonna get a little vertical. But GCV 160 LA1. Be right back. Alright, biggity back. Got freaking lucky somehow. Oh, son of a biscuit. Alright. Got the right dang gasket for number 1. They got everything backwards here. This supposed to be turned this way. Oh shoot. Missing the gaskets on there. This is ridiculous. Tinker-itis. So. Oh no, there's the gasket. So, that gasket they had on the front here is supposed to go on this side here. This has got to be flipped over like this. They had it like this. And then they had the wrong gasket up front. The needle is seating. I tried it with my mask off. My mask was causing it to seem like it wasn't. So, I don't have to do nothing with the carburetor. And you're going to see, I've said it on videos before, on these Hondas, the gaskets are stupid important. If you don't get them right or they're bad, it's not going to run. On a lot of things, you can freaking, you know, the gaskets always matter, but I've had Briggs and stuff run fine with broken gaskets or this, that, and the other. These Hondas, it's super important. Can't wait to call the customer out. Be like, who tried to fix this? They always get surprised when I ask, like I'm psychic or something. Like, how did you know somebody touched it? Everything was on there wrong, buddy. You do this long enough, you can tell. But again, I'm an idiot. This is for entertainment purposes only. Don't listen to anything I say. So, get this put back up here. Got that there. Okay. This here. This going to go here. Oh. This is going to be tough to put back together. One of those ones, the bolts run all the way through and you gotta mishmash everything together. And we'll see how it is once everything's on there right. What do you guys think? You think it'll start up? Or you think I'm stupid? Hopefully you think I'm stupid. That'd be the right answer. Alright. Son of a biscuit. These are no fun. Put this new gasket on the front. Do 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 do. Booyah booyah. Oh. Yeah, that's right. That's right. Get it through here. Probably can't see a turd. Sorry. Just life, people. Alright, get that in there. Okay. Gotta get this. This. All these dang gaskets, right? And then that one. Get that in here. Like so. Son of a biscuit. Alright. And then push that up against here. There we go. Getting the fuel line on. Okay. That fuel might be good. Like I said, them gaskets are super important. I'll try to start it. Still might have to mess with it, but we'll see. Fuel's off. Whoops. Let it fill up. It's dang hot, people. Yeah, heard. She's smoking a little bit. Like I said, it was blowing stuff out the muffler when I was trying to start it earlier. I'm going to change the oil too. But see, folks, if you're going to do this stuff, pay attention. There was a missing gasket out of place. Honda's super important. Need your gaskets. Need them good. Need them in the right place. You mess it up, that's what's going to happen. It's not going to start. You're going to think, oh, I did everything. Well, yeah, you screwed everything up is what you did. So pay attention. If you don't know what you're doing, take it to somebody. Hopefully you learned something. And I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.